Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to export your Goodreads activity into a story style paragraph using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Goodreads app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the More button in the bottom right corner, then tap on Profile or My Profile. Here you will see your reading, activity, books you have read, ratings and preview. If you want to remember book titles, ratings or dates, write them down in notes or take a screenshot for reference. Next, open the Note app or any writing app you prefer like Word or Pages. Here, start writing your story style paragraph. Use your reading self as a guide to describe what you read and how you felt about this book. Once you are happy with your paragraph, you can copy and paste it to social media, send it to a friend, or save it later for your reading journal. And that's it. We have just exported your Goodreads reading into a fun story style paragraph using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.